Today you will learn amazing tips and life hacks that work very well. Let's start. If you want to attach a hose without damaging it, here's a good way to do it. You can easily cut, melt and pour this part back. Lifting the toilet is no longer a problem. Lifting the toilet bowl is no longer a problem. Your doors won't knock no more. Plain linoleum has never been so easy. It's much easier to paint with a needle. A cracked cuvette is no longer a problem. Now you have a way to get out of this situation with dignity. Cuvette is now like new. With the help of such homemade rollers, painting is a pleasure. Now you're making hair dryers even better. And it was also simple. Twist copper wires, no problem. Do you often experience this? Now your vacuum cleaner will reach anywhere. And what about soundproofing? Easy. With this trick you can easily make headphones and work without worrying about noise and your ears. You think making a spring is not an easy task? No more. Enjoy. To glue even more reliably, you just need to add soda. It's that simple. Be smart. Drink easier. There's an easier way to make an even round cut. Don't worry, there's a similar trick for metal as well. And how do you like this homemade key? It's that convenient. Remove the sealant. There's nothing difficult. Just repeat after me. Sawdust and wood dust are often problematic, but there is an easy way to get rid of that. A simple DIY carrier for your bottles with a regular rope. You can easily repeat this trick. In the meantime, you don't have to look for the rope. Write in the comments what you like the most and do not forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Until we meet again, bye!